I wanted to show you kind of where I'm at on the project. I didn't do any more video recording last night. My wife was watching Golden Girls and she was had it kind of cut up a little loud, so I figured I'd wait till this morning and kind of show you an update. So the components that were missing from the bag are right here, here, there, and there. So that's what they should look like right there. So just I want to show you the back side of this as well. So we can get it to focus better here. And then put a little more light on it. That may help. As you can see, some of these were pretty darn close. One right in here. One right there. But I checked everything and nothing is touching, so. But, so I can't finish up the project till I get those components in. But like soldering that always gets a little tricky. The ones that was really close, like that power button, was really tricky. These are gonna be hard to do as well. So, and some of the ones that had the bigger holes, like these right here, I had to fill in. I just had to fill in with solder. That was a trick too. So once I'm done, I'm gonna clean all this rosin off the flux, I guess, off the board. Get it good and clean after I'm 100% done. But this is what it looks like right here. So that's gonna be power, antenna. I think that's a headphone jack. Excuse me. That back one is the keyer jack. That's where the keyer is going to go. And so there's the headphone jack or speaker jack, power button, LED. Then we got this one is volume, this one is tune. So, like I said, I'm looking forward to getting on the air with it. The way this is going to work. So mine doesn't have a jack that plugs in, mine's got terminals. So, when I plug that in, you know, I have to play with it and see what, make sure I get these right. If I don't, I'll just flip it around. It's no big deal. I'll definitely show that. And I'll show the tuning up. At least I apologize. I was going to do a long video soldering it up, but like I said, the wife was watching Golden Girls, so I didn't actually get to do it, so it's no big deal. Alright, please like and subscribe. Thank you for all the subscriptions and the likes as well. Have a great day.